Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install N8N on your Windows 11. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here to this URL, okay, and then click here on Windows Installer, the .msi. Go ahead and do the installation. Just click on the downloaded file, node.js will be installed, and then what you can do is type in this into the Windows command prompt. And after you have N8N installed, you can actually start N8N by typing in this command. And you should see this message come up. That means everything is fine. And then you need to enter this address. Okay. Localhost. So this is what you need to use. 5678. Go ahead and use this. And here you go. This is your N8N. This should start. You should see the screen. And you can come here and start creating your workflows. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.